Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Temple Heights Elementary, the Leadership Academy here in Oceanside, California, home of the Dragons, and this is in the Vista Unified School District. Just so honored for the opportunity to share my heart with everyone again here, grades K through 5, part of their after-school program on site. And I've been here before in the past in person, also got to visit virtually in years past the various schools around this area, including Temple Heights. But we took the focus up a level today. We've talked about bullying in the past, diversity, our differences, positivity, leadership. Today we focused on respect, right? And how we are all miracles. This is part of every assembly that I do, but I opened it up today talking about how we all have, with the lines on our hands, the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand, and this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt says. And upside down W stands for worthy, right? That we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to truly believe this, right? We have to buy into this. And the students really got that concept, right? A lot of them came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, you know, I've been following you on social media and I've been watching your journey unfold and you've inspired me every time I've been here, and it's so great to see you in person again. And I said the same thing, you know, it's just an honor to be here. We were in the multi-purpose room for both presentations, and I really tried to hammer home, you know, the key concepts of including others, right? Respecting everyone, not just yourself, but others as well, right? That this world desperately, truly needs it, that we can either choose to lift people up or tear them down through our words, through our actions, right? We can either be an upstander or we can be someone that chooses to bully. Hopefully we're gonna try to raise them up higher than ourselves, that we rise by lifting others. And the kids really got that today. You know, a lot of heartfelt moments during the assemblies, after the assemblies, just some great feedback from both the students and the staff, all about how, you know, something really did touch their heart. And if it did touch their heart, that means they have a big heart. And now it's up to them to go share that gift by how they choose to really lead the rest of this school year. What was just great for me, you know, this was a newer program that I've developed, and we kicked it off with a respect rap. We ended it with a respectful rap, some call and response raps, some hand motion raps, and the kids were engaged from start to finish. You know, we had some interactive exercises that they got to understand the impact of their actions, how, you know, we can say something and how we can say something and it can stay on someone's heart for the rest of their life. Right? And it's up to us that if we do cause heart marks that are negative on someone's heart, how do we erase those, right? How do we make it right again? How do we apologize? How do we say we're sorry? How do we start to build that person back up if we did, you know, intentionally or unintentionally cut them down? So just to brainstorm a lot of ways that we can be nicer, a lot of ways that we can show that kindness, show that compassion, show that respect. That's always encouraging to me. And it's such a privilege to be able to try to instill these life lessons in our young people, because they are the future, right? And we know that the way that we change the world is by changing ourselves first. And if we can better ourselves, then maybe we can better those around us. Maybe we better our family. Maybe we better the city that we live in, the state that we live in, and eventually we start to change this world. So thank you again so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Keep sharing your hearts. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.